Oh, yeah. We got the good old Grundig. Grundig World Band Shortwave Radio. We're picking up the we're picking up the Chinese government broadcasting from China. The Chinese government broadcasting their propaganda from China. You hear them, huh? Yep, there you go. Broadcasting their wares. Broadcasting their wares. Their wares. Oh, yeah. Ching ching makahaya ding ding. Fa la fa ching ching makahaya ding ding.
分成兩支，中七同內，即係內七同外七兩支。咁你哋喺嗰度咧，你可以經由呢啲兩種醫生，第一係復健科醫生，好似我呢種醫生，同你做 EMG 同埋 nerve conduction 特別係神經速度，可以證明係咪呢條神經作怪。如果淨係條神經作怪咧，咁可能要解決就知道喺邊度啦。因為你而家如果坐骨神經，因為你產生嘅痹咧就好接近好相同，咁所以首先要知道你究竟係邊條神經壞咗，然後咧就再查原因啦。咁查原因當中咧，有啲人咧如果係純粹喺腳嗰度嚟嘅，喺個腳踭度嚟嘅咧，係咪以前嗰局部嘅地方是否受過傷害，所以神經壞咗啲？呢個係一個原因。仲有咧就係糖尿病啦，如果飲酒多嘅人啦、食煙嘅人啦呢啲。咁啊，佢哋嘅鼻咧就係因為全身性嘅病所引起嘅血管唔通啊等。OK， 我冇飲酒，冇食煙，我糖尿點測得啦？我而家唔同你做診斷，你要做一個檢查就係做 EMG， 簡單叫 EMG。E 咧就係個 ABCDE 嘅 E， 第二個字母咧就 M 係 Mary 嗰個 M， 第三個就 G 係好似 girl 嗰個 G。EMG， 你問你嘅醫生，佢就會。
What is he teaching people how to spell in English?
係咁啊，劉醫生，多謝支持。
Hi hi。
咁啊，唔該。梁醫生啊，呢個時候我哋都休息一陣啊。好啊，拜拜。Beta 白胺律